Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Wondering, yeah, I'm going to have to zoom out. That's a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to grab a shovel and use my Deco Art Americana Peacock, or Deco Art Metallic Peacock, and some other turquoise and other similar colors because I can. Actually, I'm not entirely sure which one of these was the peacock, but they're all pretty similar. The green was the emerald green from Folk Art Color Shifting. That is not part of the canvas, that is a thing. Okay. Oh, that works well. If I turn the shovel on its corner, it'll drop its residuals and I don't have to wait too long. Alright, I'm just going to try my best. What's next? I'm going with purple. I'm going with purple as soon as it opens. Whoa, yep, that was quick. Opened right up on me. I'm going to try and be quick because, like I said, if at the beginning of this video, daylight is fading. And while I play with these effects that I do, I find out all kinds of new and interesting ways to do things. So that's a color shifting turquoise. I think I might want some more of that other turquoise. I want to keep this combination of colors somewhat simple, and I know that that is a tall order for me. I just love colors. What can I say? I also love the marks the shovel leaves behind, and I like my white Anita's metallic. Who knows? I could just have one of these and tip it and be very happy. I'd still have quite a bit of trouble filling in all my gaps. That is a Prussian blue. And I will probably fill in with some white. Actually, I'm going to use some of this. Oop, that's copper. I was going to use some of this Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with orange added to it, into it. And because the last time I used some of it, I loved the way the orange looked with it. So I'm going to do that. I'm leaving a little space for the colors to spread out. I was thinking of copper, but right now I'm thinking about black. And I think I'm just going to mix it in with whatever's in my shovel. Add some more. And as cool as this starts out, my intention was really to do a keyhole swipe, or maybe swipe with, on a diagonal. And I really want some copper, but I want gold just as much. I'm going to use the copper with the black. Temptation to use turquoise too. I love, love, love what happens when you put two colors into the shovel and you have residuals. It always gives me it's titillating. So I'm almost to the place where I have to make up my mind what else is going to go on here. And I like the dark turquoise. I'm going to let that go over and that go over. I'm feeling something is missing. I guess that's it. I wasn't going to use any of this Venetian blue from Modern Masters, but I am. And I'm going to pull it right along the edge so I don't have to do it any other way with the edge of my thumb. Oh, bounce my bottle. So, do I want more orange? Do I want yellow? Ooh, the yellow might be really cool in there. Oh, I'm chicken. Huh. I'm going to give myself the color, my Folk Art color shifting purple flash. And if I wind up with white gaps, yeah, I like that. I'm going to put it over here. And call it good, unless I want some green. I want some kind of green. I guess I'm going to give myself this kind of green. That might be really weird. I guess we'll find out together. Now if I get my bottles out of the way, I can grab my swipe card. I have a dish of Floetrol somewhere here. I did. There it is. Got it. And even though I love this design, and I do, with the exception of that little gouge I see in the canvas right there, that'll relax right in. The Floetrol in my mixture levels the paint. So I'm just going to be irreverent. I'm also going to wipe this paint down on my edges that's dripping toward them already. Wipe my fingers off on my low leafy silicone mat. I do get some awesome skins. I do need to make some art with skins soon. Yes, I am taking the moment. Oops. Okay. Mixing up colors. I don't think it's going to make any difference. My Floetrol is dripping off my card. Alright, I'm going to just do it. Oh gosh. It's crazy. I feel crazy. I'm going to come down here. Wow, I dribbled. I am going to use all of the paint that I can get off my card right now because it's dripping off anyway, and I want to use my card again in a second. I think I have a good start. I might be using a smaller card in a moment. Come, release. You cannot pick up the whole tile with your finger. I thought I had the painting. I'm not very happy about these, so I think I'm going to have to do something about that. Okay, most of my edges are covered. With a few exceptions. And I'm going to leave this card for right now and use a different card. That has got too much of a curve in it. Definitely a piece of very modern art. Or something. Okay. As much as I want that color, I want some Floetrol. I have a scrape dish somewhere, and I'm going to scrape and wipe on my low-leafy silicone mat. So far so good. Just starting with a fill-in. See a bubble, pop it. I may have some more bubbles. Well, I really like this weird shape down here. I had a lot of cells I liked in there I didn't want to actually destroy. I don't want to mess around with orange and other colors too much because I will make muck. Most of the time I'm doing this, I'm attempting to second guess what colors will sell together and pop together. I'm a lot nervous right now about this one. It's not floating my boat yet, but it might be the perfect opportunity to find some answers. I'm going to grab a OXO omelet turning spatula, take all the paint off my card, put it in my dish. Okay, so I've got some huge cells. And some definite dribbles. Oh! Okay, my card got slippery. And I'm liking what I've got better. Take some more paint off my card. Dragging ever so slightly. Filling that little gap. And those. Quiet because I'm focused and I'm getting somewhere, and this is the somewhere that I wanted to be too. I got it out before it ruined it. Cool. I'm almost there. So there's over 91,000 of you guys. I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to use a smaller card. Although I really love seeing that purple. I really don't want it to go away. I'm also enjoying adding new areas. And every time I drop the card on, it unearths new colors. I think that that is pretty good. Makes me want a smaller card. Not saying this is easy for everybody, or even me. That might have been one too many. Well, hopefully not. Maybe not the rounded end, maybe the square end. So I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork, and my email address is the way to contact me, and it's underneath the link tree that's right under the video. Right above the Teespring clothing, where you can find all of print leggings and all of our print t-shirts. And if you ever want something created from some of my artwork, just let me know, and I'll do my best to give it a shot. I don't want to go too much further. I like what I had. But sometimes it's just worth the risk. Somebody asked me why I take the risk. It's because I have a lot of paintings that I like a lot of. Which reminds me, I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I have over 17, going on 1,800 videos organized by topic and genre and the 100. And should you be interested in watching any of them, if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find them on playlists. All playlists and created playlists. Oh, I don't want to mess with that. Okay, I got away with it. Phew! This is really neat. Really, really neat. Disturbing the surface tension creates a whole entire new area. And I don't know where the Floetrol starts and stops, but I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. And I'm calling this good. I'm going to run my fingers under the edge to take off any excess paint so it doesn't pull more paint down. Thank you guys very much for the thumbs up. I appreciate you liking my videos. It helps me out a lot if you share them too, if you want to be of assistance. Shopping my Amazon link eventually helps me buy art supplies, but if you want to be quicker than that and you want to also get into the monthly drawing, look on the end screen video. It's an exhibition video in the last 20 seconds of every video, and it will share with you what the monthly prizes are. For those of you who contribute through PayPal or Patreon, you are automatically entered in the monthly contest. It's not a contest, it's a drawing. Oh, I can't even believe I said that. Alright, I got 1 minute left, and I should look over there and tell you thank you for all the contributions that have helped keep me painting all this time, and thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I really, really appreciate that. I love you guys very much. Check the link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery for appreciation for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more for shopping, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors for the albums that have edited artworks from YouTube. If you're interested in anything from YouTube, use the hashtag in the title, and I will see you guys anon. Hopefully that wasn't out of frame the whole time. Like I said, I'm going to torch. I love the colors in here. I love you guys. If I see any gaps, I'm just going to poke the end of a dull skewer, the dull end of a skewer in. I've got really cool cells. I think I'm pretty lucky to have gotten away with this. It was a good experiment. Maybe more paint than I needed. I'll see you guys anon. Happy New Year. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery.